way. I'm about 15 minutes away from meeting Taz at Table Rock Park in South Carolina to hike the Foothills Trail. We're gonna have pretty lousy weather today. It's gonna rain, there's gonna be some thunderstorms, but it looks to clear up late in the evening, early tomorrow morning, and then the rest of the trip will be decent weather. I am getting excited. It's very pretty here. I stayed last night just outside of Columbia at a Hilton Garden Inn, and I had a 2-hour drive this morning to get here to Table Rock State Park. I'm gonna go and pay for my parking when I get there, and then Taz is gonna shuttle me over to Oconee. We're gonna make a food stop at the Whitewater Falls access point so I can drop my food there. I'm carrying 3 days of food, and I'm gonna stash 3 days of food, but I'm hoping to finish this trail in 5 days. And I hope I just come back with an extra day worth of food. So I'll see you guys when we get there. So I am here at the Table Rock State Park headquarters and visitor center. I am going to go pay for my parking and check in. And where am I going? I think I'm going right here. Oh, there's the building. Okay. Really pretty lake there. Ah, it's starting. I haven't even started yet, and I just think this is so pretty. It's gonna be a good trip. There's Taz. I'm following him over to the Nature Center parking lot, and that's where I'm leaving my car. So he's right in front of me. Whoop, whoop. I got it.
Video?
Yeah.
Okay. There you are.
I just got dropped off by Taz. It is 10:02 a.m. on Thursday morning. Today is the 26th, and I am starting my first through hike solo on the Foothills Trail in South Carolina. So here we go. And today's goal is about 15.9 miles. Hopefully gonna get to Burrell's Ford campground. Woo! So exciting. I got my umbrella, my frog togs. It's a rainy one out there today, but gotta do it. Bye. It's kind of dark and spooky. I think I'm gonna have to take my rain gear off because I'm just too hot. Found my first salamander. Pouring. Okay, it finally stopped raining long enough for me to get the camera out. I haven't really been filming much because I literally just went through a torrential downpour. And it's supposed to do that on and off all day. So while I have a break, I am currently in the forest. I think this is the Oconee forest. And it's just like a green tunnel, very pretty birds, lots of green leaves. The trail is muddy and rooty. And I'm on my way to get to the Chattooga River. This is, I've been walking in the woods, ready for some sunshine. So I'm drenched, totally wet, even with the umbrella. Had to take my rain gear off because it was too hot. And now I'm puddle stomping. So I found a stealth campsite right here. I'm just gonna keep on trekking. See you later. Lots of mushrooms. Well, this little guy, I think, is non-venomous, but I'm not sure. And he was right on the trailhead. Oh. Hey buddy, how about you go that way and I go this way? Okay. Man. How do we get around this guy? Alright, you stay there. I'm gonna go over here. And you stay there. You stay. You stay, buddy. You stay. I think that is not a venomous snake. Okay. Oh, that was fun. All right. First snake sighting. Well, I just got to my first view. I've been hiking in for hours, and I can see mountains now and sunshine. Hoping that rain will hold off a little longer. Haven't been able to eat lunch because I can't like sit down to prepare a wrap, but I just ate half of a Pro bar. That seemed to help. Made some Gatorade too. Whew. This ain't easy. All right, let's keep going. Oh. Every once in a while, it's like this crazy torrential downpour. And that's what I'm in right now. So I am about to get my water from right here because it's easy. And easy is good. Well, I've got 10 miles till my campsite to go and 70 miles left till I finish the trail. Let's keep going. Just got to my first waterfall, Harvey Falls. Very pretty. Nice water source. Little bridge over there. And little stream. Hi, Harvey Falls. Oh, I've made it almost to the Chattooga River corridor. And I'm 0.7 miles from the Chattooga River, 8.9 miles to my campsite, and 68.7 miles till I finish. So I'm gonna keep going down the trail, following the white blazes. Less than a mile to the river. I'm glad to be out of that forest. It's just that with all of the rain and having this umbrella over my head and being in the forest, it's just very dark and confining, claustrophobic, and I want more open spaces. So, finish the Oconee forest. Yay! A bunch of rhododendron and this cute little creek, Owl Bridge. And the trail. Alright, well I'm at Lake Log campsite. My campsite's another 7.2 miles, but I haven't had lunch and it's not raining right now, so I'm going to go down here and make my tuna sandwich. I am hungry. Yay. I'm gonna sit on a log Lovely. Oh, here's the river. This is the Chattooga. Nice big campsite, firing, lunchtime. I have a guest for my lunch break. I have a friend. Uh-oh, I have another friend. That one I'm not as big a fan of. A bee. I like the butterfly better. Okay, well that was a hot mess of lunch. I got scared of the bee. I was making my tuna sandwich and I dropped my wrap on the floor. So I'm down one wrap. I still have 8 to go. I think I'll be okay. And the bee is trying to get my Gatorade. So I packed up. When I packed up, I put my phone in my food bag and packed my phone away in my food bag. So then I had a panic attack. Where'd my phone go? Found my phone. I have my phone. We are leaving now. Butterflies are still trying to drink my Gatorade. I got like 8 miles to make it to Burrell's Ford. I put the umbrella away. I'm hoping that was an okay idea. It's very depressing under that umbrella. Okay, well, thank you Lake Log Campsite and your butterflies and bees, and let's keep going. Found another friend. So pretty. Okay, have a nice day. The wild and scenic Chattooga River is raging. So, this is the river that they filmed Deliverance on. So if you start hearing banjos playing. Alright, we got 5 miles to go. That is one raging river. How to get around this. This tree is blocking the trail. So I'm gonna have to put my umbrella away to do this. Man. Ain't easy, folks. This ain't easy. Okay, I cleared it. I had to take my pack off. I had to throw everything over and then climb under it. So a jungle gym. All right, keep going. The Chattooga River. This campsite is underwater, completely flooded. Up the mountain I go. Oh man. I'm in the water. Well, this has been a challenge. I have no choice but to make it up to Burrell's Ford because there's no camping anywhere around here with this flooding. Oh man. What an adventure, huh? I've just about had it. I have 2.5 miles to go. This river's insane. And I just came up to something I can't cross. Alright, so now I gotta figure this mess out. I think I can do it if I take everything off, so. Okay, I made it. I had to. I'm so done. This has been incredibly difficult. Let me show you. I had to basically climb through those branches there. See the ones that are like making V shapes? And like bring my pack and move it forward and like, and then climb over all of this mess here. All right. Well, here's praying that there are no other obstacles in the way of Burrell's Ford. This river is scary. Alright, here we go again. Flooded trail. Man. I hope it doesn't get too deep. Look at how bad it is. Oh no. Nope, that's swimming. Oh, I'm in it to my knees right now. There just really isn't any turning around is the problem. Freaking hello, Chattooga. I wanted to go swimming in you, but not like this. Alright, let me go pay attention. Goodbye. Well, I didn't make it to Burrell's Ford. The trail is flooded out. I had to turn around. And then I'm exhausted and I have no strength, so I couldn't get myself out. So I'm literally sleeping on the trail right now at a high point. And hopefully in the morning I can find an out. So I'm done. This was miserable. It sucks. I wanted this to be a really exciting adventure. But if I'd known that the trail could flood, I probably would have postponed. Who knew? You can hear the river out there. I'm high enough now that I'm not worried about that, but crazy. All right, well, I hung up airbag for the first time. It's crappy, but I wanted it to get away from me, so I went far away, and it's not a high hang, but it's not near my tent. And I'm just ready to call it a day. It's been a long day. I'm gonna try and figure out how to get out tomorrow without walking all the way back to, I am like 14 miles in right now. And there was an exit at 6. I don't want to do 8 miles tomorrow. So I want to see if I can get another way out. And then I think I'm done. I would say, okay, we'll put me back in at the end of Burrell's Ford, but we'll see. It was an adventure. Hello from the trail. It is 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's been raining on and off all night. I had to go to the bathroom, and I woke up, and I had sent Taz a message on my Garmin before I went to sleep that I was gonna need help tomorrow. So he is going to be picking me up tomorrow morning at the Nicholas Ford access point, which is 6.5 miles back. So I'm gonna hike out 6.5 miles, and as of right now, I think I'm gonna have him put me back in at the Whitewater access point and keep going. I'll see how I feel in the morning. It won't technically be a full through hike because I'll miss Burrell's Ford to Whitewater, but it's supposed to be really nice weather, and I really want to see Lake Jocassee and the whole Toxaway area. I don't know. I don't want to just say I'm done, even though it won't be a full through hike. Alright, I'm going to try and get some more sleep. If I wake up in the morning and my bear bag's gone, I'm done. So let's see what happens. Hopefully the bears don't like the rain. I mean, I did hang it. It's just not really that high. Okay, so back to bed. Hopefully I'll get some more sleep and the rain will stop. And let's see what happens tomorrow. Good night. So this is where I had to make camp last night. So it goes down, 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 and then it's flat. I had to get creative with my pitching, but it worked. Now let's go see if I have food. I do. Y'all see my bear bag? I just had to do this thing again. Under and then over and then through. Oh, and now I'm just sitting here taking a rest because I'm exhausted just from that. And this is why I had to camp where I camped last night, because I knew I couldn't get back through this in the dark. And I was losing sunlight. All right, Taz, come and get me. I'm done. Okay, if this day couldn't get any more difficult, after I filtered my water, I got through this here, right? I decided to get some water and keep going. And my water bottle fell out of my backpack right here. So the one with the Sawyer on it. So I walked 1.5 miles. Went to get some water and realized my Sawyer was gone. So I left my pack back there and I came back and I got it, but I just added 3 miles to my day. I can't win. This is a disaster. I'm alive. Let's keep it that way. I'm gonna sit here, drink this entire pint of water, refill it, and go back to where my pack is. And then I still have another 4.5 miles to hike out. It's ridiculous. Bye. I'm reunited with my pack. Oh my God. That was actually kind of scary because I didn't think that I'd be able to go 4 miles without water. I keep thinking I want a reset, like I want a day, do some laundry, get dried out, and then get hopped back in. And then there's another part of me that's like, Steph, I've had like enough adventure for one 24-hour period to last you a lifetime. Like, go home, cuddle your pups, lay in your bed, relax. And I'm just really torn. I'm just such a determined person that I just feel like I got kind of cheated by that Chattooga, man. I'm mad at that Chattooga River. I was 1.5 miles away from camp. 1.5 miles. All right, well, 4 miles till, I don't know, I get out, I guess. Bye. Hello from sunny South Florida. I clearly did not get back up on the trail. I am home where it's not raining and the rivers are not flooding. I just wanted to wrap up my video and let y'all know I didn't continue. I had Taz drop me off at my car, and I drove back to Columbia, where I spent the night at the same hotel, the Hilton Garden Inn. Had some dinner and hit the road and drove home the next day. So I am enjoying a lovely day by the pool with my guy and just trying to wrap my mind around all of it. And it's kind of disappointing, but what can you do? Well, anyways, here's to being able to hike another day, and I'll get back out there one day.